Good morning students, welcome you all to the maths class. So in our today's class, we are going to learn about line and axis of symmetry from chapter 2, that is patterns. And this chapter already I have started in our last class. So in our last class, what we have discussed, do you remember, my dear children? Very good. We have learned about patterns in lines and shapes. Okay, then we have learned how to create a pattern by repeating, right? Repetition of shapes, repetition of lines. Then also we have learned it by increasing the number of shapes also we can create beautiful patterns. Then the very important topic which I have started in the last class is that symmetry. How to create a pattern by symmetrical shapes. Okay. Now in our today's class we are going to learn about line and axis of symmetry. But before that, I have a question to you. What is symmetry? Symmetry means that one shape becomes exactly like another when you move it in some way. By folding, by flipping or slide or by reflection. Okay? We call it symmetry. For two objects to be symmetrical, they must be same size and same shape. Alright? Now, we are going to learn about line and axis of symmetry. What is line of symmetry? Now, let's see here, children. The line which divides an object into two equal parts is called the line of symmetry. What is line of symmetry? The line which divides an object into two equal parts is called the line of symmetry. And this line is also known as axis of symmetry. Now, here I have drawn three figures. Just see. Triangle, rectangle, circle. Okay. All are symmetrical figure. Am I right? Yes. All are symmetrical figure. This triangle, this figure shows that if we divide this, if we draw a line which divides an object into two equal parts like this, we get two equal halves, yes or no? That means here only we can draw one line of symmetry. Now come to rectangle. If we divide rectangle like this by folding, we get both sides equal halves. If we divide rectangle by flipping, we get both sides equal. That means in a rectangle, we can draw two lines of symmetry. Now come to circle. When it becomes more than two lines of symmetry, we can say infinite lines of symmetry, or we call multi-line symmetry. Multi means many. Okay. These three figures shows that all are symmetrical, and it shows the different kinds of or different types of symmetry. This figure shows one line symmetry, rectangle shows two line symmetry, and circle multi-line symmetry. Alright. Now, I hope you have understood what is line of symmetry. The line which divides an object into two equal parts, that is called the line of symmetry. Here you see, we have divided the triangle like this, we get two equal parts. We divide rectangle like this or like this, or we call it vertical, horizontal. We get two equal halves. Then circle, infinite line of symmetry, or we get equal halves. Yeah. Now, we will learn about vertical and horizontal line of symmetry. Vertical and horizontal line symmetry. Vertical symmetry. In vertical symmetry, an object or shape is divided into equal left and right halves. The line of symmetry is known as the vertical line of symmetry. That means in vertical symmetry, an object or shape is divided into equal right and left halves. Okay, equal right and left halves like this. Vertically like this, equal right and left halves. The line of symmetry is known as vertical line of symmetry. So look at this triangle. This line, these line is known as that divide. This line of symmetry we call it vertical line of symmetry that divide equally into left and right halves. Okay, this line is known as the vertical line symmetry. Look at the letter A. The line of symmetry that divide equally right and left or left and right halves. This line called as vertical line of symmetry. You can take an example of glass, drinking water glass. That is, we can draw the vertical line of symmetry. Okay, so you understood vertical line of symmetry. Now next is horizontal line of symmetry. Horizontal symmetry. Now horizontal symmetry. In a horizontal symmetry, an object or shape is divided into equal top and bottom halves. Equal top and bottom halves. We call it flipping. Okay, by flip. The line of symmetry in such cases is called the horizontal line of symmetry. Look at the alphabet B. This alphabet B, if we draw horizontal line of symmetry, we can flip it. That means both top and bottom part, we get it equal halves. Okay. Next is letter D, alphabet D. Alphabet D also, we can draw the horizontal line of symmetry. Next is word book, P-O-O-K, book. If we draw horizontal line of symmetry like this, that means we can flip, then both top and bottom part become equal. We get it equal halves, top and bottom. Clear? So that is called horizontal line of symmetry. So I hope you have cleared about the line of symmetry, or we call it axis of symmetry, vertical and horizontal line of symmetry. Alright, what is symmetry? So in our today's class we have discussed symmetry and kinds of symmetry or types of symmetry, then also vertical and horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, so student, please do practice this, go through it, then next class we will continue with our workbook. Okay, thank you.